The engine pulley cover provides safety from the spinning engine pulley and belt. Most problems with the cover are the result of damage caused by an accident, such as something falling on it or hitting against something. Replacing the engine pulley cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor pulley cover. I'll adjust the blade height so the bolts are accessible. Now I can install the new engine pulley cover. First, I'll place the bolts through the cover. On the back side, I'll install a spacer over each of the bolts. Now I'll line the assembly with the engine and secure it with the bolts. And that's all it takes to install a new engine pulley cover on your Edger. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.